Hey guys, today we dive into the fascinating, colorful world of fish. They are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and they inhabit almost every aquatic environment on the planet. But how much do you really know about these majestic creatures? Here we're going to explore 10 absolutely fascinating facts about fish that you probably never knew. From fish sunburn to explaining how fish fly, these facts are sure to surprise and amaze you. Fact number 1. Most fish lay eggs. Did you know that most fish lay eggs? This is a fascinating fact about fish that you may not have known before. It's true that most species of fish reproduce by laying eggs, though there are some exceptions to this rule. The eggs are usually laid in open water, where they can be fertilized and grow into juvenile fish. Depending on the species of fish, the eggs may be surrounded by an egg envelope or jelly-like substance for protection. While some fish lay large numbers of eggs at once, others lay just a few. The eggs of some species take several weeks to hatch, while the eggs of other species can take several months. Fact number 2. Some fish can fly. Surprisingly, some species of fish can fly, or at least glide, through the air. Flying fishes are found in tropical and temperate waters around the world, and are able to use their modified fins as wings to propel them through the air. They usually use their ability to escape from predators, taking advantage of the few seconds of flight to propel themselves away from danger. Some species of flying fish have been recorded gliding for distances of up to 656 feet, 200 meters. They can reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, and have been known to glide for up to 45 seconds at a time. These remarkable feats are made possible by their unique bodies. Their strong, yet lightweight pectoral fins allow them to fly with ease. Fact number 3. Fish can get sunburned. Did you know that fish can actually get sunburned? Sun exposure can cause various skin ailments in fish, just as it does with humans. A fish's skin is very sensitive to ultraviolet radiation and can become burned if exposed to intense sunlight. This type of sunburn causes the skin to become irritated, inflamed, and even peel away in extreme cases. Fact number 4. Fish breathe through their gills. Fish have a unique respiratory system that allows them to breathe underwater. Fish breathe by taking in oxygen from the water through their gills. Gills are thin tissue sheets filled with capillaries that absorb oxygen from the water and pass it on to the bloodstream. Gills are very efficient for fish, allowing them to extract up to 80% of the oxygen from the water. Fish take in water through their mouth and the water flows out of the gills. As the water passes over the gills, oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is released. The oxygen-rich blood is then circulated throughout the body, providing vital energy and nutrients to cells. Fish also use their gills to regulate their salt intake. Without their gills, fish wouldn't be able to survive underwater. Fact number 5. Fish are cold-blooded. Did you know that fish are actually cold-blooded animals? It's true, and it means that they rely on the external temperature of their environment to regulate their body temperature. Fish are ectotherms, meaning they absorb and release heat from the environment to maintain a constant body temperature. This is why it's so important for fish to live in habitats where the water temperature is consistent with their natural habitat. When the water gets too cold or too hot, it can be very dangerous for the fish. If you like the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Fact number 6. Some species of fish can change gender. It's true. In fact, the process is called sequential hermaphroditism, and it occurs in a wide variety of species. The process is complex and involves several different stages, but in general, it works like this. A fish will start off as one gender and then change to the other gender later on. For example, some species of clownfish are born male and then change to female once they reach adulthood. This process helps these species of fish better survive in their environment by allowing them to reproduce more effectively. In some cases, a single fish can even change from male to female multiple times during its lifetime. Fact number 7. Fish can dream. Believe it or not, fish do dream. Recent studies conducted by the University of Edinburgh have proven that some species of fish are capable of dreaming. During the study, scientists monitored the sleeping brain activity of zebrafish and were able to observe patterns that are similar to those seen in humans when they dream. This suggests that fish are able to form memories, just like humans. Although the exact purpose of these dreams remains unclear, it's thought that they may help the fish to prepare for future events. Fact number 8. Fish are the only vertebrates that can see clearly in water. This means that other animals like birds, reptiles, and mammals cannot see underwater with the same clarity as fish. Fish have evolved eyes over the years to be able to adjust to the different light levels underwater. They are able to detect the slightest changes in light intensity, which is incredibly important for their survival. Fish eyes are similar to humans in some ways. They have an upper and lower lid, a cornea, an iris, a lens, and a retina. But they also have a third eyelid called a nictitating membrane which helps protect their eyes from dirt and debris. Without this special adaptation, they would have been unable to find food or avoid predators. Fact number 9. Fish have been on Earth for over 500 million years. Fish are one of the oldest forms of life on the planet, and their origins can be traced back to more than 500 million years ago. This ancient lineage includes some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, many of which still exist today. One example is the coelacanth, an ancient species of fish that was thought to have gone extinct 65 million years ago, until it was discovered alive in 1938. The world of fish is full of fascinating facts, such as how some species can fly and how others can breathe through their skin. With over 30,000 known species, there is no shortage of amazing things to learn about them. One thing is for sure, fish have been around for a very, very long time. Fact number 10. Most bony fish can breathe through their skin. Did you know that most bony fish can breathe through their skin? It's true, fish have evolved a specialized organ, called the gill, which allows them to extract oxygen from the water around them. However, this isn't the only way for fish to breathe. Most bony fish have adapted special organs called lamellae, which enable them to absorb oxygen from the air and the water around them. This allows them to breathe both in and out of the water. The ability to breathe out of the water is especially important for fish that inhabit shallow waters and need access to oxygen when the tide goes out. So, if you ever wondered how fish could live in shallow waters, you now know the answer. So far, so good. Do you like the video? Then please leave a like, write a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video with others. You would support me enormously and you will never miss a video again. Thank you and see you soon.